Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Wikul Zaka Putra and my student number is 174. So I want to tell about type of motion. A motion, also known as proposition or resolution in other format, is a statement that usually sets the topic of the given debate. Usually, this is an unambiguously worded statement that is general terminology in order to be understood by not only the debaters themselves but also by the general audience. In any debate, the motion is always supported by the government and opposed by the opposition regardless of how the motion is worded. Type of motion in parliamentary debate. There are three types of motion in any parliamentary debate. Depending on how specific or broadly defined it is, these are known as open, semi-closed, and closed motion, of whom regardless of the type motion, the terms are always defined by Prime Minister. An open motion is a motion or resolution that is broad, can be defined quite liberally. For example, a motion like this House would pay can be defined on a wide range of topics, from African countries paying their debts to lend all countries, to paying one personal debt to a friend, to the German government paying compensation for atrocities committed during the Nazi regime. However, given that open motion are so ambiguously worded that they tend to lead to much confusion among teams and debaters, as well as the propensity of abuse, such as defining the motion based on personal experience, they are rarely given in tournaments today. A semi-closed motion, like an open motion, is also broad in scope. However, the context of which the motion is set more limited than in an open motion. Such a motion could be worded as this: House will pay compensation to victims of abuse. In such a motion, the terms compensation and victims of abuse would still have to define, while clearly stating the motion calls for the compensation of abuse victim. Lastly, a closed motion. Unlike the previous two types of motion, this is a motion that is usually specific in scope while still leaving room for interpretation. For example, this House would make German compensate victims of Nazi atrocities is a closed motion. In this case, the motion is specifically defined as forcing Germany to compensate victims of Nazi atrocities, although the term Nazi atrocities is still left to interpretation. Within those type of motion include policy and value judge motion, which respectively are about policies and value. In some cases, this type of motion overlap each other, forming motion that have semblance of both the policy and value judgment types. An example of this: House believe that government should fund exclusively homosexual schools. In the motion, while it is worth to that a value judgment motion, it also calls for a propositional policy debate. In policy debate, a proposition is usually related to that of a closed motion in parliamentary debate. However, policy debate resolutions are worded as resolved followed by the subject of the debate. An example will be resolved that the United States federal government should establish a foreign policy substantially increasing its support of United Nations peacekeeping operation. There are generally three types of proposition, namely proposition of fact, of value, and of the policy. Thanks for attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.